Hi, so this is my implementation for the application assignment. So on the home page, the user can see all the cards. So I'm just fetching on a server side page all the cards with the names and metadata along with the ID, so that it loads fairly fast, and then user can click on any of the card and edit it on a new page, and you can access the preview also on that page. So yeah, that makes it very fast. What the user can do is click the plus icon, and then they'll be able to create a new card. So they can change the name directly here. So let's say I put test video card there and the name has been changed. Then I can change the background color. So I'll just pick a light color, something like that. Then following that, the user can put a text input. So I'm just going to put some random text here. And this is where I faced the first challenge, because I wanted to edit the text box right then and there. But the problem with that was that I could not click through the text box and reach the input if the movable was active. Along with that, if I made the div like content editable, then the text was flipped around, that is left to right. So due to that, I implemented it this way, so that you can type in one place and edit in the other. This is also how Instagram does it in their stories, because you have a separate page where you type, or separate like a modal where you type and then you save it and you can see it on the screen. So that's why I went with this implementation. Then I can choose a file, and this has to be an image. So for this, I'm just picking an image and it will upload it to the upload thing server. So upload thing is nothing but it's just like a cover for S3. So I can use S3 directly through upload thing, and it will upload and provide a URL that I can use. So that is uploaded to their server, and now I'm able to use it over here. So this is again resizable and movable. This is where I faced the second challenge, was to get the aspect ratio of the image that is being uploaded, and then also be able to fix it to that aspect ratio while I'm changing it. By the way, all the components which are resizable and movable, everything is stored as a percentage. By storing everything as a percentage, I'm able to ensure responsiveness, so that it remembers the position and the sizes as the percentage of the actual screen size. Then over here you can enter the YouTube video ID. I wanted to implement URL, but just to keep it quick and simple, I am just placing the ID, and then you are able to see the YouTube video too. With the YouTube video also, I faced several challenges. Number one was again the aspect ratio, to maintain that aspect ratio while resizing and to make it movable. Second thing was, whenever you click on a YouTube video, it goes into the video's controls, which is not what I wanted, so that it should be draggable. So for that, I've added a transparent screen on top which blocks the controls and only allows you to drag it around. And yeah, that's how this part is working. So now I can add another text box, just for adding just more text box and more content. Similarly, you can add more images and more videos and all of that, so that just to make a complete card. And once you're done with all of that and you're able to resize and everything, as you can see, it is also responsive. If I click on preview button, you can see it remembers the position as a percentage, so it moves accordingly. However, the problem with this is that the aspect ratio changes whenever I'm resizing like this. So when you're generating a card for example desktop screen, then it has to remember based on the desktop screen itself. And then yeah, so that side of that type of responsiveness is not there, but it is still responsive in the normal sense. Following that, you can click the cross button to remove any of the component. It will be deleted. Just by clicking the save, it shows a saving loading part, and then it is saved. On the home page now, you can see all of the cards, and you can click any of the card to access that, and then you can edit it just like we did right now. And you can see all of your cards over here. And as soon as you get into a card, you can just change whatever you like about that and then save it, and it's saved. And if you go back, and you can of course for toggle preview and just get the normal view, and then you can go back to home and you can see the cards are already there. The thing here is that you can add as many text boxes, as many images, and as many videos into one card. So right now there are two videos, two images, and two parts in this, two boxes in this. So in the database, each card is stored with their respective boxes, and the boxes are just tagged as text, video, and image, and they have multiple like properties with them based on percentage and different ways of implementation. And yeah, that's it.